Hello, traders. Good day. This is Aris Affairs. So, um, I want to share with us what is currently happening on BTC and what we may be looking at, what the price may do in the future. So, let's dive into the chart. We have been having a bearish structure in the market since 2021. Yeah, using our trend line, we can just place our trend line from here to here. So we can see we have a clear downtrend movement, right? So we have the hot time high here. So that is the hot time high that we have for this price. Okay, so let's go. What are we looking for on BTC? Looking at BTC currently, we can see even placing support and resistance levels. Now that this is a key level for us here. Here, this is a key level for us to look at. So but we are still in a bearish market. Before we can say, okay, we want to go long, we should be looking for 80% short trades with 20% long trades. So we should be looking for short, 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 and short. So because in the bearish market, the buy will just be a pullback, a retracement. So then the market will continue in direction. So we have this market reacting to this level here. We have another block here into 1 week. You can see there's something like another block there on the 1 week. So here we have a swap zone here. It's a swap zone, like a supply level that you can see, and you can see a swap zone here. So this is a key level for us to understand. So we have another block here, but I don't expect this market to come to this place. But nobody knows what will happen. So that is also a valid area for us in the market. It's a very valid area. So just having a top-down analysis on BTC, so we can see we have been on a bearish move. So this something create like something like a break of structure, but it just weak. The candle didn't close above. So even looking at the weekly time frame, we know the market is not creating upward movement. So then we can work with our daily time frame for long for position trading. So we have this market reacting to this level, pushing the market high. So we have other block here, which the market came to respect. We have liquidities above here. These are weak highs. Let me just try to zoom in. So this is a weak high. You can also call this place equal high. So you can also call this place equal high. Yeah. We can make a trend line liquidity there, but it's still weak high. So we have this other block here. We have this swap zone. We have this swap zone. It's a key level for us. So um, supplies are always valid above above resistance, then demands below the below support. So that is the supply level that we have there. Zooming out, so we can see that there's a supply level there. So that is where the market reacted to. So and also this place we have another block which this market is reacting to, but this area can never hold the price. Going to the 4 hour time frame, let's just check. Here can never hold the price. So we should expect the price to keep diving down because there's no clear order block here. There's no clear order block. So we shouldn't be expecting the market to uh, hold around this place. And looking at what uh, we have liquidities, trend line liquidities, and so many like that. So we have trend line liquidities and also here. So all these are liquidities. They are weak areas. So they are weak areas. So the market will react to this level, 35,300. The market will surely react, but we're not going to buy. It's a weak level. So we have this other block where this price reacted from. Uh, yeah, looking at this level where this price reacted from, around 32,000 on the daily time frame. So this place is an imbalance. This market respects this other block here. So this is an imbalance. This is a weak area here. But below the imbalance of the weak area, we have liquidities there. You can see weak lows. We have liquidity. So we don't expect this area to keep holding the price. So the price can just manipulate the area like this, something like drop down and push up, then consolidate and do many other things. Keep going to the direction. So what we should be looking for is looking for short trades. We shouldn't be looking for short time buys. Should be looking for short. So this level, this 28 something is not going to hold the price, but the market will surely react to the level. So we surely react to it. So we should be having a mind of these levels here, waiting for this is a demand level. So this is a demand level. Uh, at these areas, we should be looking for the market to change structure because the market has been trying to mitigate the supply level. So whatever the price is coming, the price will not be stopped by any supply. There's no valid supplies there. All these are weak supplies with liquidities above. This is imbalance, so this area is not going to hold. So whenever the market goes to touch the demand and start coming with full force, the demand will keep failing. So, but the strong demands will be mitigated before the price keep going down. So these are the levels we have for these for BTC for position trading and people who want to buy for long. So we shouldn't be in a hurry to buy. Do your analysis properly. So we should expect this price to react to this level or to this level. So we have the buying area from this area. So this is an area we should be looking at. It's an area we should be looking at around 20. Let's say psychological level 25,000. So should be looking at 25,000, around 25,000, yeah, around 25,000 to 20,000. So looking at it on the daily time frame gives us also we are still bearish, still bearish. So even looking at Ethereum, so this market has mitigated the supply. We should be looking for it to keep rallying down. So we should be looking for short trades if you trade on future and looking for Ethereum USDT. So you can see that yeah, the market is correlated. I've done this analysis before for some times now. So it's almost same thing. We have almost same thing in the market. So we have almost same thing. This is liquidity, and this area should hold the price. This is an area that should hold the price. So we'll be looking for a change of character here, something like this place, either W pattern, work off schematic, any other uh, bullish pattern. So demand keep filling, demands they keep filling. You can see supply keep coming in action, supply. So we are bearish. So I took a trade here from here to here. Um, so we are bearish. Who buys for now? Any buy is a short time buy and it is very risky. Except if you trade it on the lower time frame, like scalping or intraday trading. If you want to hold long, it's not really advisable to hold crypto for now. For long, even RIF, we have the RIF USDT as well. So uh, almost same thing. I also took a short trade on it. Recent, I took a short trade on the RIF as well. I think on the 1 hour time frame. Posted it to my WhatsApp crypto. So you can see that this reef is down here. So we should be waiting for a change of character, a bullish structure. So we're having this weak low here. The market is reacting to this level, but this level cannot hold the price. It's very weak. It's a weak area. So it's a weak area. We should be looking for the market to give us uh, a change of movement after taking out this weak. So we should be looking for it to give us a change of direction. Looking at the trade here, we can also see that it is very bearish. So making use of trend line can give us the other flow in the market. So this is the other flow. So we can see market keep breaking structure, break structure, break structure, break structure. So we should be focusing on short trades, not long. Short trades, not long. Short trades. So this is just a look of what is happening in the market. This is not to generate any signal. So this is not to generate any signal. Let's just look at what can probably work. The block of structure. So this market want to buy, it will surely buy to this place because there's liquidity above it. So it will surely come to this level. Then we can see it continue to the downside. If possible, it's still going to come to the downside, but it's going to come since BTC, they are how correlated with Bitcoin. So once Bitcoin is not ready to move, so we can still see that this market should still drop by. Let's check the movement. Still drop like uh, almost 80%. Same thing on Bitcoin. Same thing on Bitcoin. Sitting on Bitcoin. So this is the last sell trade I'm taking the market, both on the 4 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes time frame. So this market is breaking structure. This market is unable to pull high. So this level, this market respects this supply level that is here. So supply keep holding the price since the demand is very weak. So supply kept on holding the price. So if this market breaks down this low, so maybe looking to go short on this level, the price retrace, price retrace. If this level is taken out, I want to see this level taken out. So that is what we have for the Bitcoin. Should be looking for short rays. Buys are just temporary. You can see buys are just temporary. Liquidity is everywhere. So it is very important to know that this market is still going to drop movement man. So we are still expecting this market to drop over almost 40%. So that's what we're expecting on Bitcoin, Ethereum. So by then we can then buy for position trading, putting for long, putting it for long to create. So even looking at it, some people will trade, they will take a trade pattern on it, like a triangle or something, a bearish. So broken out the triangle from here, if we continue this trend line, this liquidity trend line. So some people will take it as bearish triangle pattern. So this one, so Ethereum is almost 45% as well. So that is what we have for main crypto. Whatever has happened to Bitcoin, Ethereum usually happen to the major coins that we trade. Riv, Mana, Avas, and so many other useful coins. Let's just check Avas. These are one of the best coins, Avas, and see what is going on there. So yeah, you can see it there. So liquidities, as I've said, liquidities. So it's coming to this level. Let's go to the flowers. So now the bearish pattern, bearish move, bearish move. So we are watching this level and this level. We have two levels watched there. So we have the key levels there. You can see it. So this is a swap zone that we're watching first. So and if that area cannot hold, or if you're looking for this area here to hold, for people that trade on the spot, though this market a push to the upside before dropping though. So it may push to the upside, you may see a push, you may see anything, and the market can keep rallying based on the strategy I trade SMC. So the trade may keep rallying to the downside, rallying to the downside. So these are levels we'll be expecting. Now once this market broke out of this level with a correct bullish structure, another and the market is not bearish anymore. But once it give us a bullish pattern, then we can take the entries. So this for us, then Solana. of the Bitcoins. So we can also see it is on the downtrend as well. And these are weak areas. So these are levels to watch. As I map it out, these are levels to watch. So levels to watch. There's liquidity there as well. So in the future, I'll be looking for the price to come down to this level. We can use our trend line to just know the direction of the movement of the market. You can just place it trend line resistance. We can say that we are bearish. So we are bearish. And all these areas are weak areas we need to look at. So don't just take trades blindly because of all these areas. These areas will be manipulated. There's a wick here, a wick right here. So there's a wick right there. You can see. So we don't expect this market to hold here. It's not possible. So and when we have a lot of imbalance, yeah. So we have imbalance here. If you can look at it, we have imbalance. Then we have trendline liquidities here. We have trendline liquidity. This market has reacted to this other block, so we shouldn't expect it to hold anymore. This is another block which this market has reacted to on this daily time frame. So it has reacted to this level and it's still reacting to it. So it has mitigated the area but not fully. So if this area is still going to hold, if this other block is still going to hold them, we'll likely see a trade confirmation, a change of character. But if not, we should be watching on this imbalance, on this swap zone for so. So that is what we have. We are bearish, so we should keep our mind. If you want to buy, just hold on, hold on. No matter what the news says, no matter what the news generates, news only creates volatility in the market, it doesn't change the structure of the market. So just be careful because of news. Don't go and buy, okay, these people are signing. No, 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 no. No. So news generates volatility, and after that, fundamental traders or sentimental traders they sell off immediately. So the price keep diving back to where it came from. So that is even though if the market is in a bullish structure and there's a fear or there's a Fed news that is bearish on the market will surely drop. But in an area, the market will surely buy back again because those people selling were just fundamental traders and the technical traders will surely enter the market back. So that is what we have for crypto trading. On spot, if you want to buy on spot, leaving for long for position there. If this market can change structure correctly around there, so we should be targeting Once market change structure should be targeting the all-time high. There's nothing to hold the price here. So it should be targeting the all-time high once market change structure correctly, either a W pattern or anything. This market can do something like this. Then you have a push to the upside. Can keep going. So we may have something like this. Yeah, we may have something like this on this trade. This will just buy, this will just sell and buy within few days or within a day to just buy, then you see that the market will react to this level. So those are part of the things you need to know about the market, that we keep seeing higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, and we target the pattern market. You can take 500, 400, 300% profits, whatever the case may be. So guys, this is all about crypto analysis. I'll drop more on other coins. And if you have any coin you want me to analyze for a long time and position trading, you can probably drop in the description box. So you can drop it as a comment. Drop it as a comment, and I will work on it and drop it. See you in the next video. Kindly like and subscribe to this channel so I can keep dropping more and more videos and more content on this channel.